Okay guys, this is tutorial how to online audio cutter. Okay. For example, I have MP3 format, and then I will cut this MP3. My duration 5 minutes, more than 5 minutes. I will cut to 4 minutes. Okay. How to cutter audio online? Okay, go to website. Go to website. Yes. MP3 cut net. Okay. Please visit this site. Okay. Yes, like that. This MP3 cut.net. Okay. Okay. How to cut is open file. Okay, please set your MP3. Okay, like that is my MP3, and then click open. This is processing down uploaded. Yeah, this you can select that like that, then stop if you want to stop like that. Okay, apply like that to check how long your MP3 do you cut like that. Okay, you can like that. Okay, for example like that, I will cut just like, okay, I will cut like that. For example, you can check your sound like that. Just then stop. Okay, after your finish to selection, you can click this cut. This processing to cutting, and then you can download. You can download, click in here. Okay, I will save in, okay, download my computer. Okay, please open. Okay, this duration is 5 minutes point 36 seconds. Okay, thank you for your attention to cutter audio. Okay, thank you for your attention. Good luck.